back again. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to smash some of this soil up. Hopefully I'll get another few bucket loads put in as part of the backfill. Really desperate to sort of get this backfilled now so I can move on. But before I get started, let's give the excavator a grease. And we'll get this ready for a couple of days of operation. First scoop of crushed dirt there, so it's all nice and smooth. Start the backfilling process. Okay, so I'm pretty well backfilled now. I think it's done. I think it's backfilled pretty good compared to the other side. Seems to have held its own a lot better as well. A lot less deflection in the timber with all the extra posts in place. We'll leave this here. We'll now start a bit of a tidy up of this area, take out all the rubbish that's in there as well, and get that cleared up, get that ready for me to start to build the woodshed in there. I think what I will do, I'll clear this area and then I'll bring in the pieces of timber and just put the retaining wall in here that I was planning on, and then we'll call this one done. Or is it only done when it's full of firewood? Anyway, we'll see. We'll get the pieces of timber in there now, get this excavator out of the way, and get the timber in. So we've got the string line out, just so we've got a rough straight edge, and got a couple of boards in that'll be used as a kickboard or a retaining board, call it what you want. A few star tickets. Now I've just cut some infill pieces for in these areas. We'll go and drop these in now, and then this will be not far off finished. Yeah, that's that piece. Let's get the others in. A little bit rough and ready, but at the end of the day it's just for firewood. So yeah, I'll cut those final two pieces now and we'll fit them in a second. I went to the pallet pile and I actually spotted this one, which looks like it'll be a little bit better than the ones I had in there in the past, so we'll get that fitted and then get the infill pieces cut. Twist and a warp to it, this, 'cause it's been out in the weather all winter, but it seems to the weight of all the wood on it. Okay, so this is it finished now. No more left to do. Ended up sticking one of the tree trunks in there and a offcut of a pine pole that I had just to fill that gap. So the task is going to be to fill this up over the next few months.